you drop to the bottom?
All the way to the bottom until it goes slack.
Yep.
We're in pretty deep water. It should be about 250 right now.
How many feet is it at right now, Mason?
150 right here.
No, 150.
150? There it
So it
is.
goes slack, flick it over, bring it off the bottom about 5 feet, like that, a couple cranks. Just watch that line, make sure it's not coming back towards the boat, it'll get wrapped up in the prop.
Hurt.
And when you hook them, you're gonna feel them bite, let them eat pretty good. You don't wanna like set the hook and raise that rod up high level.
I'm feeling something, so yeah.
Feel like a fish?
Oh yeah, I think so. What do you mean by high sticking?
Going too high up in the air. Because you change the angle and it'll come off. You come up right about your eyebrows.
There it is.
The eye level, the highest you want to bring it in. You got it now. Oh yeah, there's a lot of sharks, a lot of barracudas.
Yeah, I saw the barracuda. I saw the cuda.
There you go.
Oh, it's got a snapper on it.
There it is.
Yep.
Nice.
Nice.
Guys.
Yeah, 2, 1 point.
Yeah, that was pulling hard. Nice.
There it is.
It's a good sign.
So you got 1, 2, 3. You missing 3 baits?
Yeah.
4.
Not yet.
Dang.
Go ahead, reel it all the way up.
Pull it up nice and easy. Pull it up. And then reel down fast. And then pull it up. And then reel down fast. There you go. Trying to run that way. Y'all might get crossed. Y'all crossed?
Not yet.
No? Okay, good. Okay, good. There he is.
Fish?
Right there. Yeah. Gene Simmons fish.